Join our real-life hero Scarlett in her custom cartoon with tailoredtales.com. Meet Scarlett in sunny Jupiter, Florida, ready for gardening fun. Scarlett loves princesses, unicorns, and playing outside. Today, Scarlett will plant a special magical seed. Oh, look, sprinkle the watering can waves, hello. And here's Wiggly, the friendly garden worm, wiggling happily. Scarlett puts on her magic gardening gloves, ready to dig. Wiggly wiggles to make the dirt fluffy and soft. Scarlett gently digs a tiny hole in the warm soil. Plop, Scarlett places the sleepy seed carefully inside. Time for a cozy dirt blanket, Scarlett whispers sweetly. Seeds get thirsty, like little gardeners, Sprinkle says. Scarlett sprinkles water softly, giving the seed a drink. The golden Florida sunshine gently wakes the sleeping seed. Now Scarlett waits patiently for her little seed to grow. Can you clap your hands to help Scarlett's plant grow faster? What helps Scarlett's seed grow big and strong?
Your turn.
Wow, a tiny green sprout peeks out to say hello. Look, it's growing. Scarlett cheers happily with Sprinkle and Wiggly. Scarlett learned gardening magic, and now the flower is blooming beautifully. What's next for Scarlett? Baking with princesses? Gymnastics with unicorns? Let's see.